So hi, one, pat it, pat it. Sorry. So guys, today we're gonna do which one, a water or a toy dog, or I mean a dog's toy can land in that bucket easier. So first we're gonna do a water bottom, which is probably gonna be kind of hard. I got that on camera. I'm gonna under toss this. Okay, which one was harder? You guys will vote, and bye-bye, peace. I'm lying, guys, but we are actually just gonna be bottle flipping stuff, but trying to land in there. That's all we're gonna be doing. So I know you guys might not like it, but it's talent. Now I have to go grab that. Just wait here. So guys, if you guys can see me, I'm gonna do this weight. I'm gonna do this dog toy. I'm gonna do this with that to try to make it in, and the water bottle. So, it's blurry. Okay, we're gonna try to do the weight first. I might end up hurting. Okay, didn't work. Now this water didn't work. Now we're gonna do this. Well, my dog Jerry, where we made his video, he died. I think. We're hoping he didn't die. A little too far. Also, what we do is we're gonna see which one went farther. So for the water. Well, the weight, I knew it wasn't gonna make in there, but if it just went like, really, but I was like, really not gonna do anything besides water bottle flip. Show you my skills, which they're really bad. Ow. So, this is one of them I'm gonna be doing. That has